Hello and welcome to Joyful Qigong. Today we're going to do water practice. I'm going to show you about 8 moves. Hi, welcome to Water Qigong. I'm Joy. I'll be leading you today in this Joyful Qigong practice. We're going to start with our feet, about shoulder width apart. Soften your knees, grip with your toes, press down with your heels and tuck your tailbone. Go ahead and tuck your chin just slightly in. I'll show you from the side. This is a normal relaxed position. We're stepping shoulder width, gripping, tucking the tailbone just slightly, tucking in your chin just slightly, relaxing the whole rest of the body. This will be our home or our mountain pose, essentially. So first we're going to start with a movement called water waves. Arms out from your body, and we're just going to swirl them around you as if you were dancing around in a pool of water. Feel the wind passing through your fingertips. Go ahead and look over your shoulder. Nice deep breaths in. Try to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Chin to the front. Try to get your shoulder under your chin. You notice I'm doing just a slight bob when I scoop around, just to keep that body active, to keep energy flowing through your entire body. Slow it down. Hands on your thighs. Step out just a little wider than your shoulders. Again, bending your knees, tucking your tailbone, tucking in that chin. And we're going to move like a river. This movement starts at your feet and ends at your head. So first we are moving over our ankles, our knees, our hips. Our spine follows, our head is last. Same the other direction. Breathing in, breathing out. If you want to, you can do this motion more horizontal to the floor. Gives you a little bit of a different stretch in your hip area. Bring it back up. Keeping our feet wide, bring your hands into prayer at your chest. Bend your knees a little more. Make sure you tuck your tailbone and tuck your chin. You're going to breathe down into the lower area of your belly, which is called your quaw, between your pubis and your belly button. This area right here. We're going to take that breath right down into the quaw and circular breathe it back out. So breathing in, breathing out. No pause in between. 4 deep breaths in this position. We're going to go ahead and press to your right and turn and look to your left. Breathe out. Breathe into the middle. And breathe out. Breathe in. Last one on each side. Back to the middle, and now our dragon's gonna swim. This is opposite from the move like a river. We're gonna start with our head and work our way down to our feet. So go ahead and swim. Almost like you're drawing a figure eight with your nose. Bring it back to the middle. Let's bring our feet in under our hips. Soften your knees, tuck that tailbone, and we're gonna do narrow position, dragon press. Turn to your left and look to your right. Press to your left and look to your right. Hands back to the middle, and our dragon's gonna swim again. Remember, starting at your head and ending at your feet. You don't want to do a whole bunch of motion in the narrow stance so you don't knock yourself off balance. And your hips, I mean. You don't want to do a whole bunch of movement in your hips. Bring it back to the middle. We're stepping our feet out a little wider than your shoulders again. Bring the arms down. You're going to bring the arms up to the right. Squat down with your knees. And you are looking at your right hand, breathing out. Turning your hands and your head the opposite direction, and we're going to press away and breathe in. Coming up a little straighter. Relax and breathe out. This is called Dragon Looks at His Tail. Arms down. Bring them up to the other direction, the other side. Squat down again, tailbone tucked, chin tucked. Looking at your left hand. Press out. Breathing in, breathing out. Go ahead and bring those hands down. Going into the spinal wave. You can bring your legs in if you feel a little bit more secure like that, or you can keep them wide, whatever you want. We are going to push our chin out first, come down with a flat back, and then roll up starting at the knees and bring yourself up. So go ahead, breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Start with the arms too. Hands, palms to the front. Coming down, palms to the back. Soothe it down. Bring your feet in a little closer. Hands below your belly button at your quad. We're going to bring our right arm around. Breathe out. Right back down to the quad. Right arm out. Gather up all that chaos, all that stress that floats around you. We are going to draw that line right down, align your chakras, and push that chaos down to the ground. Other side. Clearing out our chakra field. Creating a protective bubble around your body. Assure yourself that anything negative that comes into this bubble is going to be immediately dropped straight down to the ground. And with both hands at your quad, circling your belly. Breathe deep. Let go with a sigh. Thank you for joining me. I hope you got all the wonderful benefits of this practice. I recommend you do it at least once a day.